What's up YouTube, this is Prince today, TP101, and in this video I want to show you guys how to mod your AirPods case. So this is the Apple AirPod. I just got this a couple days ago, and yeah, we're gonna basically put a slick wrap skin over it, over the case, and also the AirPods themselves. I always wanted one of these, but for some reason I just never got it. I wanted to get them for Christmas, but they were sold out, so now my wife bought me these for my birthday, so they're pretty cool. They sound real good, and just the simplicity of using these is real good. So sorry about my voice, I got a cold, but yeah. So the links to these is in the description. You guys could check them out. I bought the red ones because this thing, you could easily lose this. Like this thing, you drop it, it's gone. So yeah, I want to put a red skin on it just so it'll pop and I could find it anywhere. And they also go on the AirPods themselves. So this piece right here is for the case, the back and the sides, and this right here is for the flip top. And we get basically 4 for the earbuds. We get 2 extra. So we're gonna put them on. We also get these SW sticker slick wrap. You can stick that wherever. And we get these. We got a couple of these. I don't know. But these are like some collectibles. Trying to get 12. And then that's their Snapchat. So get everything out the way. Got a nice cleaning cloth. So we're going to clean it real good. Get all the grease and everything off. And we're going to put the skin on there. And I'm going to come back after this is done. This might take some time. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. So this is the case. Nice. At the bottom where you charge it. Got it back, the little cutout, whatever that is. And it doesn't wrap all the way around. I think they had a little problem with like wrapping it around the corner. It's not like some of the other companies. And there you go. That's the buds. Take them out. Just like that. Got the right one. Still sounds good. Feels good. Everything feels great. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys just want a little cheap mod for your AirPods, definitely check them out. I have a link in the description. I mean, this is the case. This is the earbuds. Where's the other one? Oh, I had it in my ear. These things are real comfortable and they fit real nice. So yeah, there you go. Sprint today, TP101. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the description below. And yeah, peace. Thanks for watching.